Hey guys, I want to work through this problem with you. It's a SAT math question. Okay, so question number 12. A pipe can fill a tank in X hours and another can fill it in Y hours. They can together fill it in how much time? So the option A is X plus Y. Option B is 1 over X plus 1 over Y. Option C is XY over X plus Y. And option D is X minus Y. So imagine that you have a tank, okay, and you have one pipe running into it. And I'm going to create a table so that you can visually imagine the filling time and how this would be impacted over time. Just it's going to help understand how we can come to a solution for this. So imagine that it takes 1 hour to fill this tank. Well, over 1 hour, 100% of this tank would be full, right? Well, if it takes this pipe 2 hours to fill this tank, then in 1 hour, 50% of this tank would be full. Like imagine half of it in 1 hour would be full. And if it takes 3 hours, less water, let's say, is coming through this pipe and filling this tank, in 1 hour, it will fill about 33%, so this is about 1/2, and this would be about 1/3 full, correct? Notice that this number here, the time, 3 hours, is then becoming inverted here. And if you imagine this X hours of time, this being representative X hours of time is then represented as 1 over X of the tank partly full in 1 hour. So if we have two pipes, this being pipe 1 being filled in 1 X hours and another pipe being filled in Y hours, then we can represent 1 over X plus 1 over Y, meaning that this is 1 over X plus 1 over Y parts of the tank full in 1 hour. Now, I think this is like a little bit of mathematical trickery for most people. Think about this, X hours, okay? X hours to fill tank. And we're converting this into 1 over X parts full in 1 hour. So how do we get from this to this, right? We just put 1 over X. But if we want to go back to this here, well, we can represent this going back as 1 over X. And I'm getting somewhere with this because we need to work on two pipes to do this, so it'll make more sense in a little bit, okay? This is the same. This here is the same as this here. Why? Well, if I multiply this as X over X, right? This is X over 1 here, and this is X over 1, which equals X, which is this, okay? So if I take this here and I represent it as 1 over X plus 1 over Y, then we can now come towards our solution. This on the bottom will cross multiply, and then we clean this up. I'm kind of skipping some steps here, and there's certain rules that will apply that will let you get to this, but this is option C. which is this one up here. I hope that clarifies a little bit on this problem. Watch this video over again. Think about the problem and imagine this pipe filling this tank. And then, you know, this is basically two pipes filling this tank simultaneously. And with a little bit of this mathematical trickery going on, you then get to a solution. Hope that helps. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later.